Hi, hello friends, welcome back to Max Lecture Series. In this series, we will be learning how to solve directional derivative. Now, if you observe the given function, a scalar field is given by f equal to x power 2 by 3 and y is equal to, f equal to x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3. The derivative of function, the derivative of f indicates function along the line y is equal to x directed away from origin means 0 comma 0. Since they are talking about x and y, so I am also considering 2 point 0 comma 0 at a point 8 comma 8 is dash. Usually if we observe in the previous questions at all, they will be giving us three things. One is function f, another one is its correspondent point p, and then they always used to give the direction, in which direction your function is being travelled. So a vector also will be defined, but in this question a vector is there but it is hidden. How will you do that? See there, if you observe the question carefully, let us collect all the data. Function f is given as x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3. Of course, its correspondent point p also defined as 8 comma 8. First one is completed. Now how can we figure out the a vector value, that is in which direction your vector is travelling? It was specifically defined. See there, it is clearly defined that the derivative means we have to differentiate this function. Usually that is what we are doing in the directional derivative. Derivative means gradient of f. We are doing the differentiation with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. In the same fashion, the derivative of this function along with the line y equal to x line means what? Do you know? Y equal to x means, if you draw a line for y equal to x on the x and y axis, you will get a straight line. Straight line means it's a ramp. So it will be going like this. That is y equal to x line. So they are defining that the derivative of function f along with y equal to x is directed away. We need the direction only. Directed away from 0 comma 0. The points has been specified as 0 comma 0 to 8 comma 8. That is what they are telling here. Directed away means, that is they are talking about a vector only. Usually a vector will be can be defined as directed away means from 0 to 8. First point is 8 into I vector, second point is 8 into j vector. Here also first point is 0 into I vector, second point is 0 into k vector. Now in order to define the a vector, we have to identify the overall. See, directed away means what is the distance between these 2 points. If you observe the distance between I vector 0 to 8, so the distance is 8 times of I vector. For the j vector, it can be defined as 8 times of j vector. Only 2 points they have given. They have not talked about k vector. So I am ignoring the effect of k. It will be 0 here. So a vector can be simply defined as directed away means, that is in which direction we are defining the vector. So from this I can identify it is directed away from 0 to 8. So always this type of questions also will be given. When they are giving 2 points, what you have to do? Take the final point and the initial point, subtract the final point minus initial point. That will be giving you the value of I vector. Similarly, repeat the same procedure for j vector and k vector in order to know the value of a vector. Once you find that, then it is very easy to solve. I hope you can solve hereafter. Take the function. I am leaving it as the homework question. Anyway, I will be giving you the answer. What you have to do? We have to identify the directional derivative. First number, step number 1. Directional derivative formula is gradient of f dot, we have to do a vector by mod a vector. So here you know how to define the value of gradient of f. This can be defined as dou f upon dou x into I vector plus dou f upon dou y into j vector. It is y. So dou f upon dou y into j vector plus dou f upon dou z into k vector. Now take your function, differentiate it with respect to x. What you will be obtaining? If we differentiate, see, differentiation of x power n with respect to x will be giving you n into x power n minus 1. So in place of x power 1, if we have, in place of x power n, if we have x power 2 by 3, while doing the differentiation, what you will be obtaining? This will give you 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. So 2 by 3 minus 1 means what you will be obtaining? 2 by 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So this can be written as x power minus 1 by 3, or we can say it will be 2 upon 3 into x power plus 1 by 3. I am just shifting the location of the x power minus 1 by 3 to the denominator such that it will become positive. In the same fashion, if you differentiate y with respect to y, what will be obtaining? D into y power 2 by 3 with respect to y, what will be obtaining? Same value will be coming up, it will be giving us 2 by 3 into y power 1 by 3. So that is what will be obtaining. See here we have to put dou, actually I put d, so we have to please put dou here, okay. I did a mistake, you can do this. So this will be dou by dou x, here also it will be going to be dou, because we are differentiating more than one variable, so that will be dou only. Finally, we found the value of dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, and the value of x comma y, that is what? 8 comma 8. I wrote already here, x comma y value is 8. See there, if I will substitute x equal to 8, y also going to be 8. Tell me what is the value of 8 power 1 by 3? This can be written as, remember, 8 can also be written as 2 power 3. So if I am raising 8 power 1 by 3, then 2 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 3 will get cancelled, it will become 2. So 8 power 1 by 3 will become 2. So this overall value is going to be 2. Numerator 2, denominator 2 will get cancelled, you will be getting 1 by 3. Similarly, if you replace y by 8, same, 8 can be replaced by 2 power 3. 2 power 3 into 1 by 3 will get cancelled, 2 denominator, numerator 2 will get cancelled. Finally, here also you will be getting 1 by 2 only. So the final answer is going to be 1 by 3 times of I vector plus 1 by 3 times of j vector only. Value of k vector will be 0 here. Why? Because there is no z in the given function. We will be having only x and y. After that, you can explore the value of a vector is given. A vector, see there, if you multiply a vector with the gradient of f, what you will be obtaining? 8 into I vector here, 1 by 3 into I vector, 8 into j vector, 1 by 3 into j vector. So I can say that the value of del dot f into a vector can be written as 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3, or we can say this will be equal to 16 by 3. Now this is not the answer, we have to identify the value of mod of a also. How will you do that? Square root of coefficient of I square, coefficient of j square. So 8 square plus 8 square can be written as 2 times of 8 square, 2 into 8 square actually, see there, 8 square plus 8 square, 2 times of 8 square will be there. So 8 square you can take it out, so 8 into square root of 2, it can be written as 8 into square root of 2. Final answer is going to be del dot f into a vector by mod of a. I thought of leaving it as the homework, but finally I did here. No issues. Just to write down the answer in the numerator, I will be writing 16 by 3. In the denominator, it will become 8 into square root of 2. 2 times of 8 will become 16. So this can be further written as 2 by 3 into square root of 2. But numerator 2 can be written as square root of 2 into square root of 2 upon 3 into square root of 2. 1 square root will get cancelled. So the final answer is going to be square root of 2 by 3. Is it there in the option? Go back. Square root of 2 by 3. Option A is the correct answer for the given question. So that is how you are solving when something will be given hiddenly. You have to identify what is the clue behind of this, how to crack this. So this is all about directional derivative. In the next lecture, we will be coming up with one more question. Thank you all.